I think we've done quite well. Yeah, it's looking quite nice, and they've got a brand new driveway which should hopefully last them quite a long while.
Bishop's Palace is a great place to come. Great place for families. It's got lots of space. It's been beautifully restored.
What we found with the panels, they're all splitting, falling apart, so that's been very carefully fixed, and it's been regrained by our specialist. And if you move over to the far corner there, you'll see a new opening. There was originally an opening there, which the old drawings show us was in place, but that's been reinstated.
I think it's a wonderful place to come and visit. We come from the USA and we read about it, so we thought we'd come and visit.
Coming to Fulham Palace, the grounds are beautiful, and we sit and have lunch in the cafe, which is always lovely, and there's a park nearby for the kids and they're able to run around.
Fulham Palace is just a hidden gem.